Now, help me share this message to about 5 to 10 of your friends. Abo Uganda, nsonyiwa otambuze kano ka video inachan kada tekere ingara isengo isharing ata a video lo. I have 2 to 3 questions to my comrades and fellow Ugandans who have not yet critically realized that for the last 20 years, 40 years, these guys have been taking us for a ride. Number 1, when Con was killing, abducting, raping, and doing every inhuman thing in northern Uganda, where was UPDF? Today you are running to South Sudan, you are running to Congo, you are running to Somalia, and you praise yourself in the gallery by beating innocent Ugandans to justify that you are the toughest army. When Ugandans were dying in northern Uganda, where were we as the army of this country? When the Karamojong loitered from the east and the south corners of Teso, burning, destroying crops, taking away everything that the Teso people had, where were you as government? While the ADF and so many other rebel groups ravaged Kasese and the Rwenzori region, where were we as government? I say we because I am and I will always be part of government, because out of my small value added tax, stamp duty, the UPDF government is facilitated to meet its cardinal responsibility of keeping the territories, the lives and the property of Uganda safe and sound. Where was government? Don't come here and answer me with emotions. Maturely analyze and comprehend my questions and answer them. 90% of successful enterprises come from Western Uganda. If you are to sell whatever you have invested in Western Uganda, you have destabilized every economy in every sub-region. Who is going to sleep in those 5-star hotels you're building in Western Uganda? After every 10 houses, there is a hotel, 5-star, 3-star. You can imagine, you go to a 5-star hotel and you're sleeping in it for 45,000. Why? Because there is no one who can afford that looted investment you have. You are busy trying to squeeze every little entrepreneur to make sure that a few are rich among us, so that you're able to control the many through the support of a few. Which sub-region in Uganda has NRM ever intentionally empowered? Look at Busoga. They hoped in their sugarcane. After they voted for opposition, they switched allegiance in Busoga and dropped the price of sugarcane. Today, the Busoga can't survive anymore on sugarcane. They have no any other cash crop apart from sugarcane. What more do they have? Nothing but to beg from government. The Iteso had their cows. They took them, no intention to compensate us. What we are left with is collaborators who are given appointments to praise government for their own selfish self-interests. Look at northern Uganda. They had their tobacco. Where are they today? Beggars being chased from their own land, killed. Look at Renzori. They had vanilla. They have taken over vanilla. Look at Buganda. They are taking over cotton. Yet they are empowering their cows, their egg production, their farms in Western Uganda. I know not all the people in Western Uganda are enjoying the privileges of corruption in this country. But the challenge is you are collateral damage because many of you have failed to rise up and speak for the common good of the Ugandans. So please, if you're in Western Uganda, Central Uganda, Eastern Uganda, Northern, Central, anywhere, West Nile, let nobody lie you that anybody in this country is enjoying. We are suffering. So we need to rise up and take these people off. If we don't, we are headed to a very dark corner because they have lived their life. They don't care where they are right now. Apparently, they don't care. Young man below the age of 40 years. You have a child who is 18, 10. Wake up. Wake up. Because if you don't, those children are going to look at you as a fool. We are where we are today because our forefathers decided to give these people a chance, not because they were stupid. They believed in their propaganda against the former regimes. And today we are here. And our fathers can't reverse their age to fight these people. It is now us who have got the repercussion of their actions, who are supposed to stand up and rescue ourselves and equally make our fathers proud. Share this video. Tambuza kanoka video. Ijuke video lo. Let us build an army that is non-violent, that is patriotic, that is going to stand firm and defend our noble cause. Campaigns and voting are my right, are your right. Nobody should intimidate you. I invite you to go out to Zimbegari, Adukote Circle. Let's build structures within ourselves, clandestinely. Walk like a snail when you know where you're going. This war is not for light-hearted people. Let us work and see how far we reach.